the game. Feel the rhythm, feel the fire. World Cup takes us higher. From the streets to giant towns, people dancing all around. Children singing everywhere, passion floating through the air. Every heartbeat feels alive as the teams begin to rise. Different cultures, different names, still united by the game. Tiku tiku, hear the roar. Football gives us something more. Team prepared to rise, sweat is falling on the grass. History begins to pass. Every tackle, every run shines beneath the burning sun. Voices echo through the night as the stars begin to shine. Feel the energy ignite. Football fever burns tonight. Mexico and Canada, USA together now. Three great nations host the stage, writing football history's page. Millions watching every play. Dreaming in the rain, hoping one day fame will gain. Girls are singing with the crowd, strong and fearless, standing proud. Football teaches us to fight, to keep chasing every light. Every smile and every tear shows the magic we all share. Tiku tiku, hear the beat, moving to the same heartbeat. Every striker wants the fame, every captain leads the game. Midfield masters guide the flow, making magic as they go. Every whistle, every call makes emotions rise and fall. Still the spirit never fades, even through the toughest days. One more chance to touch the sky, one more dream before goodbye. Drums are beating through the streets, everybody feels the beat. Every country, every race celebrates in one embrace. Football speaks without a word, still its message can be heard. Every culture, every face finds connection in this place. Tiku tiku, football is the beautiful game. Late at night, the lights glow bright, fans are dancing through the night. Cars are honking through the town, celebration all around. Music louder than before as the crowds continue more. Every victory, every cheer creates memories through the years. Football gives the world a light, burning strong into the night. Raise your flags into the sky, let your dreams come alive. Feel the power, feel the flame, everybody knows the name. Tiku tiku, hear the sound. Football turns the world around. Tiku tiku, let's move. Feel the rhythm, feel the groove. Every nation side by side with the passion burning bright. Tiku tiku, hear the roar. We are stronger than before. Football brings us all tonight under one eternal light. Hey! Every player gives their all, standing proud, refusing fall. Every crowd begins to sing, voices rising like the wind. Hope is stronger than the fear, victory is drawing near. Every heartbeat, every sound shakes the magic through the ground. Tiku tiku, hear the cry, touch the stars beyond the sky. Underneath the neon skies, every dream begins to rise. Young and old together now, sharing love without a doubt. Every corner of the earth celebrates the game tonight. From the villages to towns, joy is spreading all around. Feel the movement, feel the pride. World Cup spirit worldwide. Champions born beneath the rain, turning pressure into fame. Every tackle, every save shows the courage of the brave. Every legend starts somewhere with determination there. Football teaches us to fight, never giving up the light. Tiku tiku, let them know passion makes the spirit grow. takes us high. From the streets to giant towns, people dancing all around, young and old together now, sharing love without a doubt. Every corner of the earth celebrates the game tonight. From the villages to towns, joy is spreading all around. Feel the movement, feel the pride, World Cup spirit worldwide. From the streets to giant towns, people dancing all around, children singing everywhere, passion floating through the air. Every heartbeat feels alive as the teams begin to rise. Different cultures, different names, still united by the game. Tiku tiku, yeah, the raw football gives us something more. Hey, golden trophies in their eyes, every team prepared to rise. Sweat is falling on the grass, crowds are jumping full of life. Every nation waves the flag, dreams are carried on